How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Now head towards profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down towards how you use Instagram section. Tap your activity. Now scroll down again. Select Account History option. Now here you will see all your account history. Tap Update Type at top right corner and select Bio. Tap Apply button and these are all your bio history on Instagram. If you select Clear All button, it will take to this section. When you tap on particular bio, then it will take to the time when you have written this bio, but there is no such option to delete account bio history on Instagram. So Instagram doesn't has that features to delete account bio history on Instagram currently. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel to stay tuned about the updates of Instagram, and later it might lead us to delete Instagram bio histories. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.